how to change meta description on Wix. So here I'm on the main page of Wix, and the first thing that we want to do is click on Edit Site. This will load up the Wix website editor. Now, if we want to change the meta description, we want to go to Pages and Menu here from the left. So click on Pages and Menu, and we can do this for every page that we want. So for example, I will change the meta description of my home page here. So depending on which page you want to do it for, we will hover over it, click on the three dots that appear, and here we will go to SEO Basics. So select SEO Basics, and it's going to look like this. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see the section for meta description in search results. If we click on it, we can change this to whatever we want. So we can write something like, this is the home page for the NetStore website, something like that. You will obviously customize this to your liking, and then we can just go back and this is going to save it. Now, I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.